It is time for us to fulfill our mandate to protect our people from these crimes that have victimized. Huwag ninyo akong takot-takotin yung preso yung International Court of Justice. Shit, I'm willing to go to prison for the rest of my life. Ang importante sa akin, ginawa ko yung gusto ko. Alam mo kasi, in this country, it is a rule of majority. I did it for the 50 plus 1. Because in a vote of 100, I get 51. 50 plus 1. 50 is 1 up. 1, that is majority of 1. I win. Yung 49, yun yung mga, I do not have to make them happy. But when the time comes, kung malasin ako, pupunta ako sa prison, do not worry about me. I can take it. Nung maliit pa ako, labas-pasok ako sa, wala pa yung Pangilinan, labas-pasok na ako sa prisuhan. Kunin yung record ninyo sa police doon sa Davao. Takutin. He will be prosecuted. Hoy, abogado ako. Well, because I will insist. Sabi ko nga, everybody is entitled to come here and question me. But I have to question you also. At para magaling, let us make it official. We go to court. And we tell the judge that we are hearing by a international body. Can we have it judicially recorded? And I will place them under oath. Mahuli ko matalaga yan sila. May pinatay ako, tama yan. When I was mayor, a little over, for 23 years ako mayor ng Davao. Nakita mo ang Davao ngayon. We have been LGUs before. What city is now hitting 9 growth %? Nandoon pa kami sa Mindanao, binabumba pa kami sa Davao. Davao is 9 growth. Tapos sabihin nyo, ngayon, paano i-9 mo, palabas mo itong 9 ng you're about to hit 6 or sabi nila. Pero pakayaan mo lang ako, mag-abot ito ng 21. The highest in the world. Kayo lang tigapigil eh. It is time for us to fulfill our money to protect. Tapos na yan. Kindly, for so long we have to act decisively on this contentious issue. Capital punishment is not only about deterrence, it is also about retribution. Make no mistake about that. Iba kasi ako eh. Let us understand each other, including the international community. Our criminal system uses the revised penal code. That is a law that was given to us by the Spaniards. The original revised penal code, though it was translated into English. And those, in those about 2 books, 3 books, there are the definition of crimes and the penalties and everything. And the thrust of that revised penal code, ladies and gentlemen, is the essence of retribution. That is why you have penalty. There is also the word positivist theory, that you can nurture a criminal into goodness, provided he goes to prison for 2 years, 3 years, he's released, he's a sex offender. When he goes out, he rapes again, kidnaps another girl, and makes her a hostage for so many years. Ganon kayo eh. Admit it, ganon kayo. You are so too lenient about this son of a bitch, a human being that has a virulent brain, and his enemy is society. And many a times, there were sex offenders in America released, only to rape and kidnap again and kill in just a few months after release. In the Philippines, it is really an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. You took a life, then you must pay it with life. That is the only way to even. You cannot place a premium on the human mind that he will go straight. Nobody can. Not even your best scientist. No one has ever fathomed how a person would react, especially in committing crimes. That's the only way to do it, to instill fear, that if you do it, you will die. That's the advantage of criminals and rebels and terrorists, because they think that you are afraid to die. That's why when I went to Marawi, I was asked by the media, why are you here? I am here because my soldiers are here, and I came here to die also. Because in a battle, in a fierce encounter, you have to be of equal equanimity. Gusto siyang mamatay, agi gusto ko rin mamatay. Ano sa atin? They say that they use the name of God. In the Christians, we have the same thing. I read Ecclesiastes 3. What does it say? Even during elections, there is a time to be great and a time for defeat. A time to be in the skies, in blaze on there, and a time to be known as somebody. A time to have money, a time to be hard up. A time to just walk so many kilometers to school, and a time for graduation and being a lawyer. A time to be, I don't know what I am now, but there's always a time. Ganon yan. So I will match you. Pag sinabi mo, gusto kong mamatay, anak ka ng dalawa tayo. That's why this bully, I had dinner with them sa bayan. But in NDF, because I used to be friends really with the NDF. I was crossing the by ideological borders before. Ako yung nakakapasok sa teritoryo. We were friends really. But times have changed because God placed me here. And I take care of a republic. Sabi na doon, bully daw ako. Tarantado pala kayo. Talagang bully ako. Utang ina. Talagang bully ako, especially to the enemies of the state. Talagang bully ako. Ito pa, sabi ko sa mga sundalo, yung mga human rights na you're flying everywhere, anywhere yung utak ninyo. I said, take no prisoners, which is kill them. Which is correct. But you don't listen to my speech. This media, lalo na itong mga EBS, kunin lang yung kill them. Yan ang problema ninyo, kaya minura ko kayo. Walang presidente na pinutang ina kayo because you are not behaving. Now you're asking me for talks.